So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment Ethical Hacking Week 4th assignment 4. So, the first question is which of the following statement is are true? A hypervisor allows one host to run multiple virtual machines by sharing resources. A hypervisor requires one physical machine per virtual machine. A hypervisor can only run one virtual machine at a time. Kali Linux is hack proof hypervisor. None of these. So now let's check the answer of our first question. Question first. Hypervisor or virtual machine monitor. It allows one host computer to support multiple guest VMs, different operating system by virtually sharing its resources with memory, network interface, storage and processing. So the answer of our first question is A. A hypervisor allow one host to run multiple virtual machines by sharing resources. Now the second question is which of the following statements are true about passive reconnaissance? So these are the option. Information about the targeting is collected indirectly. Information about the target is collected directly. There is a chance of detection. There is no chance of detection. So let's check the answer of second question. Question second, in this type of information gathering, we collect information about the target indirectly without direct communication with the target system. So the answer of our second question is A and D. Now the third question is which operator is used in Google to search for an exact phrase and double quote plus bracket. So let's check the answer of third question. So question third, useful search operator quotes will help to get exact match result. So the answer of our question third is B. Now the fourth question is what does the WHO is lookup provides? Website loading speed, source code of web page, historical screenshot of website, ownership and registration detail of a domain. So let's check the answer of fourth question. Question fourth, passive reconnaissance. Registration detail, IP address, contact number and email ID, domain owner, name servers, regional internet registries. So the answer of our fourth question is D. Ownership and registration detail of domain. Now the fifth question is which search will show result from only the website swam.government.in. So these are the options swam.government.in, file type swam.government.in, site swam.government.in, none of these. So let's check the answer of our fifth question. Useful search operator site we can get result from specific website. So the answer of our fifth question is C. Now the sixth question is what is the main function of archive.org's Wayback Machine? So these are the option to view historical version of the website, to scan website for malware, to test internet speed, to monitor websites uptime. So let's check the answer of sixth question. Question six, in archive.org website we can get completely history of any website like when it was last updated. So the answer of our sixth question is A, to view historical version of the website. Now the seventh question is an ICMP sweep scan is used to. So these are the option block TCP connection scan for DNS servers, detect live host, detect phishing is emails. So let's check the answer of seventh question. Question seven, to detect live host and map queries multiple hosts. This is known as ping sweep operations ICMP sweep. So the answer of our seventh question is P, detect live hosts. Now, the eighth question is which of the following tool is primarily used for network scanning, including host discovery and port scanning? So these are the option Wireshark, DNS, Num, DNSE, Num, Notepad++, none of these. So let's check the answer of eighth question. Question eight, Nmap is a free open source tool for vulnerability scanning and network discovery. So these are the main feature of Nmap are host discovering, port scanning. So the answer of our question eight is D. None of these. Now the ninth question is which of the following option tells Nmap to skip port scanning and perform only host discovery? So these are the option minus SS, minus O, minus SN, minus P. So let's check the answer of ninth question. Question ninth, minus SP, ping scan go no further than determining if host is online. So the answer of our ninth question is C, minus SN. Now the tenth question is how many ports does Nmap scan by default when no specific port option is provided? So let's check the answer of tenth question. Question 10, answer by default Nmap scans the 1000 most common ports for each protocol, example TCP and UDP. So the answer of our 10th question is 1000. So let's type 1000 and submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching this video.